guys, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create the perfect sitting area, especially for those of you who have a sitting area in your master's bedroom. This is going to show you how to create that perfect sitting area that's going to be cozy and relaxing. If you're new here, my name is Angel. Please consider subscribing. I got a lot of different topics and I would love to have you. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button if you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get started. So there are a few things to incorporate when you want that perfect sitting area. The very first thing you have to start with is some seating. Not just regular seating, but you want some super comfortable pieces, because hey, this is your sitting area, this is your relaxing area, this is where you unwind and woosah. So you want some really nice comfortable pieces. I'm going to share with you two pieces. One is a super extra deep couch. This is great for your sitting room. I purchased this extra large deep sofa from Wayfair. It's great for lounging, it's great for sleeping, it's great for relaxing. And if you have a family, a husband, kids, and dogs, you can all relax on this sofa because it's so large. Everybody can enjoy it peacefully and comfortably and just relax and be cozy on the couch. Another comfortable piece of furniture you should consider is getting a chaise. A chaise is very nice for relaxing and especially for reading. It sits your back up, it puts you in a relaxing position, so if you want to just close your eyes for a minute, or if you want to read, this is a perfect piece of furniture to add to your sitting area. And I found this gray modern chaise from Overstock. And guys, I will leave links to everything I possibly can below in the description box or on my website, so be sure to check that out. Now let's talk about some tables. Not just any tables. You want to get some nesting tables for your sitting area because these will serve two functions. First, it will serve as beauty and decor, and second off, they will be functional. So you can eat on these, you can drink on these, you can move them. They're very lightweight, so you can move them around. So I'm sharing with you two. These are very modern contemporary nesting tables. They're made of chrome and glass. I actually found these at Hay Needle, and guys, like, I know I share a lot of furniture pieces with y'all, but these I got practically free because I had Hay Needle rewards. So you can still shop and save money while you're shopping and find places where you can rack up on rewards. And because, you know, just like with credit card points and all of that stuff, you know, every dollar counts. So these were pretty much free for me because I used my reward points. So I will leave a link to Hay Needle as well below. They are a great company. I've ordered from them a lot, and they run sales all the time. So like, just keep checking them, and trust me, you can find major pieces that you like for a lot less than you would pay at a furniture retailer. Moving on to lighting. You want to definitely incorporate some really nice ambient lighting in your sitting area. One I am sharing with you is this floor light. I put it right behind the chaise, so when you're reading, you get ample light and just enough to give you that ambience in your room. This floor light I purchased from Burlington's. And then you also want to add you some candles. Yes, nothing says relaxing and give you ambient lighting like some candles. I got this really gigantic 3-prong candle from Ross, and it's a pineapple smell, so it smells so good. Oh my goodness. And then I also found this 2-prong candle that's made from sandalwood and ocean. It's called Ocean's Mist, and it just smells amazing. It's just so relaxing. And I found that one from Home Goods. Candles are just a great way to get you in a relaxing mode anyway. Moving on to a little bit more warmth, I would definitely highly recommend you adding a electronic fireplace to your sitting area. Especially if your home didn't come with a fireplace in that area. Adding your own fireplace not only cozy up your space, but it just puts you in that mood. And that's what you want. You want that perfect space that gives you that relaxing mood, that cozy mood, whether you're using your sitting area to unwind or you're using it in a romantic setting. Whatever you decide to use your sitting area as, a fireplace will definitely give you that perfect space. I found this electric fireplace. It's very modern, very contemporary. I found this one from Hay Needle. You can set the brightness of the fire. You can set the heating temperature of the fire. There's a lot of control for it, and it's not hard to set up at all. I set this one up by myself, follow the instructions. It's actually not difficult at all. So since we're talking about warmth, I'm gonna definitely throw out there to grab you tons and tons of throw blankets for your sitting area. Why throw blankets serve two purposes. one, it cozy up your space. So it serves as decor and makes your space nice and cozy. Two, it serves for warmth. So when you're cold, grab you a blanket. If you have them all over, you won't have to get up, you won't have to search. The whole purpose of your sitting area is to be relaxed. You don't want to have to get up for anything. You want everything to be within reach, okay? You don't have to get up for anything. So if you have a few of them around the room, when you're warm, you're cold, hey, I got a throw blanket right here. Throw it on me, toss it. I don't have to get up, I don't have to move. So that's what you want. In addition, I would highly recommend, I am a huge fan of heated blankets. I love a heated blanket in the winter. Guys, like, they're just so warm. So I actually keep one tucked behind my sofa. So when I am really cold, I got my heated blanket right there. It's already plugged in. All I do is gotta turn it on and throw it on me. Can you say perfect? Oh God, perfect. And the key to finding heated blankets for a cheap price is getting them on Black Friday. I purchased this one from JCPenney. They always run the largest sales on heated blankets every Black Friday. And yes, I'm a Black Friday shopper, but I'm also a money shopper, so I love to save money. This is a full-size heated blanket, and they run you $100, you know, easily. But I got this one for $20-something Black Friday. So if you really want to find you some reasonably priced heated blankets, always shop them on Black Friday. I get one every year. A few more things you can definitely add to your sitting area that's going to make it perfect for you is add you some flowers, some plants, some greenery. Greenery just literally brightens up your area. It warms it up and makes it very nice and cozy. I purchased this floor plant from Home Goods, and it has a white base and it's filled with rocks at the bottom. Look, I'm an artificial girl. Some people are real plants girls, some are artificial. Figure out what works for you and do you. But either way, adding you some plants into your room will definitely lighten your room and brighten it up. But I'm definitely an artificial girl. I don't have to worry about maintaining that. It stays there and it's cute. Another thing that's definitely gonna cozy up your room and your space is a nice plush rug. This rug I'm sharing with you is a silver shag rug that I purchased from Overstock, and it is so soft. Like, just rubbing my fingers in it, my feet in it. When that rug is under your feet, it's just, your feet melt. Like, it just melt. Having a nice rug, sometimes you're surprised, but when your feet feel good, you feel good. So consider having a nice plush rug for your feet to lay on, to walk on, or even if you just want to lay on the floor sometimes by the fireplace, you have a really nice comfortable rug to lay on. Consider your rug. Alright, so in order to give you that relaxing, perfect seating area, you have to have you some entertainment in there. And so adding you a TV is definitely something that I had to do to make my perfect seating room. Adding you a TV in there would definitely make your room perfect. You won't have to go out this room for anything. You can come in there and relax and chill, shut the door, you can kick everybody out. You can invite everybody in. You can have a, you know, movie night with your kids on the couch in your sitting room. So this room is to be perfect. To be perfect, you want a really good TV. So this TV I'm showing you today was a 50-inch Sharp Smart TV. I got this Black Friday for $249, guys. Yes, $249. Black Friday. Again, don't sleep on it. Don't sleep. And it's a smart TV, and it's a 4K TV. Can you say what? So sit down, grab your remote, and turn on some Netflix and relax. Yes, relax. Okay. Alright, so to make this room even more perfect for you, consider adding you a mini fridge. Guys. Yes, I said a mini fridge. Why? Because once you're in your master's bedroom, and depending on, you know, your house, like, you know, you don't want to leave. You're ready to relax. You done worked all day, you're tired, you just want to relax. Or you're getting out the shower or getting out the tub and you don't want to go anywhere else. You don't want to go to the kitchen. You just want to stay in your bedroom. Add you a mini fridge. That is the easiest thing you can do to make your life better. Because if you stock it with water or soda or wine, whatever your taste is, whatever rocks your boat, stock it. You don't have to leave out for anything. Like, you can come in your sitting area and you're done. You can truly unwind. You can truly relax. Take you 30 minutes. Take you an hour. Whatever it takes for you to unwind and get your mind right. Look, that is killer. It will change your life. So these are all the things that I have chosen to encourage you and inspire you to add to your sitting room, especially if you want that perfect room. And it's nothing like coming home and you've worked all day and you got to deal with your husband and your kids or whatever you're dealing with, the stress and the drama of your life. Having that area to unwind, okay? That area is yours, it's peaceful, just unwind. And then, you know, if you want to enjoy it with the rest of your family, invite them all in. Relax on a big nice sofa. Watch TV, watch a movie. You know, have drinks and a popcorn. It's your area, so make it perfect. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And also, I have tons of other home decor videos and recommendations. I have an entire playlist just for the home, so be sure to check that playlist out and tell me what you think.